All right, and lastly, we're going to talk about graphing hyperbolas. Well, and just like last time with ellipses, we're going to introduce, well, what about cases that do not have a center at the origin? Well, we have this chart. So you would probably want to go ahead and write this one down in your notes, just like we did with our ellipses. Okay, so write this one down, put it in your notes, because we're going to refer back to this as we are graphing these hyperbolas. Okay, but again, you'll notice this chart looks pretty much just like the ellipse chart. Difference again is the equations, minus signs instead of plus signs, and of course we have the asymptotes at the bottom. So it says find the vertices, covertices, and asymptotes of each hyperbola, and then graph. Okay, so we're going to refer back and forth to our chart on this one. All right, so vertices, covertices, and asymptotes. Well, first, notice that this one is actually centered at the origin. So my center is 0, 0. So I will be using the first chart on this one. Okay. I see the A equals, not 25, sorry. The A equals the square root of 25, which is 5. B equals the square root of 36, which is 6. Okay. And then my asymptotes are y equals, now this one is vertical because the y is first, so because it's vertical I have plus or minus a over b x, plus or minus. So that means I have y equals positive plus or minus 5 over 6 times x. So go ahead and draw my lines. My sheet so I can draw a little last line. Okay, so there's my axis. Well, I need to graph these asymptotes real quick. So I see, all right, plus or minus 5 over 6x. So if it's positive, that means I'm going to go to the right and up. So I'm going to start at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm also going to plot the A and the B, vertex and covertex. So I have my vertex, which is my y value, at 5. Now, my axis in the wrong way. I shouldn't have 6 going on the y x direction. 5 on the y. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the y direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the x. All right, and I'm going to make my imaginary box. Okay, there's my imaginary box. In my imaginary box, I'm going to connect the corners. Same thing over here. Okay. Hopefully you have a rule or something you can make the line go straighter than mine. I see that it's vertical, so I'm going to start my line at points here and here. And then my hyperbola is just going to come out. It's going to get closer and closer and closer to that line, but never actually touch it. So there's my hyperbola. I got the asymptotes, which are my dotted horizontal lines, my A and my B, which led me to graph the actual hyperbola.